How to think like a millionaire. First, you must understand that everything you will become in life starts from the way you think. In other words, everything you will ever become in life emanates from your mind. If you believe you are a millionaire, trust me, that is exactly what you are. The Bible tells us that as a man thinks in his heart, so he is. In essence, everything that the mind can conceive, it can become. I want to share with you 3 steps, 3 concepts that you can adapt and start thinking like a millionaire. Number 1, adapt the mindset of a millionaire. What is a mindset? A mindset is those set of beliefs, values, principles, or ideals that dictates how you respond to life. Your mindset determines how you see life, your perspective about life. So if you have the right mindset about money, about being a millionaire, you would adapt the right set of attitude, the right set of habits, choices, decisions, and actions that will eventually make you a millionaire. Number 2, if you really want to think like a millionaire, you must raise your self-awareness level. Now let me explain. Self-awareness is just about knowing who you are, your capability, your ability, your strength, your interest, your passion, your skills, and everything in that regard. You must understand where you are versus where you desire to be. It is all about understanding the gap that stands between who you currently are and the person you are striving to become, that is in the future. Once you understand this, you will now come to the point of saying to yourself or understanding or identifying the skills that you need in order to transition yourself from where you are to where you want to be. Number 3, if you want to think like a millionaire, then you must understand how money works. Money, you must understand, is a tool. Money is a product, is a byproduct of value. A lot of people make frantic effort to acquire more money, but in the end, they become confused, frustrated, and depressed, all because they do not understand the concept of how money works. I bet you, if you want to become a millionaire, you must understand that money answers to value. If you give more value, you would get more money. Zig Ziglar once said, if you want to make more money, help as much people as you can, then money will come to you. When you develop your skills, when you have the right mindset, money will automatically come to you. So you must understand that making money is directly related to the value that you offer. If you want to make more money, then raise your value. Raising your value means improving your skills or learning new ones if what you have is not enough. Develop yourself in such a way that you become a person of value. If you become a person of value, you will naturally and automatically attract money to yourself. You must also understand how to manage money. It is not enough to make money. You must also understand the principle of managing money. How do you save money? You must be intentional about saving or managing money such that the money you save will help you in the next phase of becoming a millionaire. And this phase is what I call how to multiply money. If you manage the money that you make effectively, you would have sufficient enough to go into various vehicles of investment. Once you understand these 3 M's of how money works, which is how to make money, how to manage money, and how to multiply money, you would certainly become a millionaire. I hope you have been enriched by the lessons in today's episode titled How to Think Like a Millionaire. If these lessons have enriched your life, I will encourage you to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are a new subscriber, I will also encourage you to do well by subscribing and hit the notification bell such that when I upload fresh videos, you get to receive them instantly. Thank you once again for watching. See you in my subsequent videos. Cheers.